A load balancer is a server that distributes incoming internet traffic to multiple backend EC2 instances. AWS manages the ELB service completely, that includes provisioning, upgrades, maintenance, and ensuring high availability. Users access the application through the public load balancer, and the load balancer forwards traffic to multiple EC2 instances at the backend. It balances traffic across instances as user volume increases, which ensures seamless response and efficient load handling. It evenly spreads requests across EC2 instances. It exposes a DNS hostname for user access. It performs health checks and removes unhealthy instances from routing. It helps you easily manage HTTPS for secure connections. It works across multiple availability zones. There's no need to manage servers. AWS takes care of upgrades, maintenance, and high availability of ELB. Of course, you can set up your own load balancer on EC2, which can be less expensive. But keep in mind, it requires a lot more, such as maintenance, OS management, updates, and integration. Now, let's look at the types of load balancers in AWS. Application Load Balancer works at Layer 7, supporting HTTP, HTTPS, and gRPC. It's best for web applications, microservices, and advanced routing like path-based or host-based routing. And it also exposes a DNS hostname. Network Load Balancer works at Layer 4, supporting TCP and UDP. It's designed for ultra-high performance, capable of handling millions of requests per second. It also provides a static IP via elastic IP. Use it for low latency or high throughput applications. Gateway Load Balancer works at Layer 3 with IP packets using the Geneve protocol. It's used for routing traffic to third-party security virtual appliances such as firewalls or intrusion detection systems. It inspects and filters traffic before it reaches your applications and also supports deep packet inspection. Classic Load Balancer, this one supports both Layer 4 and 7. It's the older generation load balancer and has now been replaced by ALB and NLB. In fact, it's being retired in 2023. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.